Ni perangai macam aku
Kau tahu kau dah losing point. Kau still tak nak mengaku.
cause diorang nak menang.
Tapi kau tak boleh menang.
Diorang ingatkan okay lah, just cakap sini habis sini
Okay.
Diorang, for them, US is a great country.
This is what I read I think last few days aku baca Donald Trump nak pull back semua troops,
Okay.
patah balik
Okay.
in a few weeks, in 2 to 3 weeks time. Tapi at the same time dia kata during these 2 to 3 weeks time dia akan go all out. Kalau kau nak pull back, kau pull back lah. Asal kau nak all out.
That's why.
Tak ke macam pengecut. Kau dah kau dah bom orang nanti kan. Okay kacau sebelum patah balik.
Dia macam cukai-cukai.
Habis nanti korang patah balik, orang tu attack kau balik. Kita dah stop apa.
Ni
Come on lah.
ini perangai macam aku
Israel.
pernah macam Israelians.
Israelians.
Israelians ni pernah buat gini aku rasa.
Kau sih.